इज नेसेसरी फॉर अस। आपको पता है कि हाउस क्यों जरूरी है हमारे लिए? इफ हाउस इज नॉट देयर देन व्हाट वी डू। अगर हाउस नहीं है तो हम कहाँ रहते, है ना? सड़क पे रहते, रात को सो जाते और सुबह उठ के देखा तो बाजू में कुत्ता भी सो गया है, तो कैसा लगेगा आपको? डर जाओगे ना? हाँ, तो हाउस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस, राइट? बिकॉज हाउस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द मेनी सीजन, राइट? समर, विंटर, मॉनसून, एंड हाउस ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम द एनिमल्स ऑल्सो। एनिमल्स से भी हमको हाउस बचाता है ना? कोई एनिमल अगर हमको बाइट कर जाता तो अगर हम हाउस में है तो हम प्रोटेक्शन में रहेंगे, राइट? So house is very important for us. Now the different animal and the different birds, person have the different type of the house, right? आपको पता है birds lives in the nest, animal live in the different cow in the shed, lion in the den, right? So man prepare house is the different type, hut, bungalow, flat, so many types of the house, right students? So this chapter we have studied about the house, Chotu's house. Now what the Chotu has lived? Chotu किसमें रहता है, right? Okay, now look at the picture. Here the picture of Chotu. Chotu came into the Ahmedabad. Chotu Ahmedabad में आया है, देखा? Look at here. This is the Chotu, and Chotu watch around. Where he go? उसने सोचा कि मैं कहाँ जाऊँ. She observed all the atmosphere surrounding the छोटू, right? छोटू के आजू बाजू में जो एटमोस्फियर है वो सबको देखता है ना? And छोटू decide where he went to go, where he go. Okay? Now suddenly the rain came. Now look at the second picture. Suddenly the rain came and all the peoples running to protect from the rain, right? But what did the Chotu do? Because Chotu don't have the house, right? So Chotu wrapped the clothes and sit behind the tree, right? उसके under the tree के नीचे अपनी बॉडी को क्लोथ रैप करके बैठ गए लोग। देखो दिख रहा है पिक्चर आपको? हाँ, now then after searching the Chotu see the one big pipe. Look at here children. छोटू को एक बड़ी सी पाइप देखी। पाइप बहुत टाइप की आती है मैडम, हमारे घर में टैप जो आता है उसमें भी पाइप होती है, तो उसमें हम रह सकते हैं? नहीं, जो अंडरग्राउंड वाटर फ्लोइंग का पाइप होता है ना वो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी होती है। तो छोटू ने ऐसा वाटर फ्लोइंग का बड़ा सा पाइप देखा, है ना? और वो देखो छोटू उसमें सो गया है, देखा पिक्चर आपने? ओके, नाउ लुक एट हियर. देन आफ्टर सम टाइम छोटू मेड द different डिवीजन इन द पाइप ओनली एंड सराउंडिंग द एरिया. छोटू ने क्या किया? वो पाइप को अपना हाउस बना लिया और उसके आसपास में देखो यहाँ पे किचन, वो खाना बना रहा है, देखा? देन ड्रम इज देयर फॉर द वाटर and hanging the clothes to dry the clothes. Okay? पाइप के अंदर देखो रोप टाई की है और कपड़े सुखाए हैं, है ना? तो when the Chotu has decided to live in the pipe, then that surrounded area she has to divide into the different kitchen, bedroom, drawing room, guest room, right? So many areas he has to cover. Now look at here. This is the picture of the another boy. He come into the Ahmedabad. दूसरा एक लड़का आता है and his name is the Monu. उसका नाम क्या है? Monu. And Monu also searching for the house. वो भी घर के लिए ढूंढ रहा है कि मैं कौन से घर में कहाँ पे रहूं. Then Chotu and Monu met each other and Chotu made a friend to Monu and both are live into the same house in the pipe. Okay? वो दोनों फ्रेंड्स हो गए और छोटू मोनू को अपने साथ बुला लेता है और दोनों अपने एक दूसरे के साथ रहते हैं। Why the छोटू share his house? Because छोटू want to company, friends, right? And छोटू think कि Monu don't get the house, so I help the Monu. Okay, students, have you understand? Now this is the story about the Chotu's house and the Monu. Right? Now we know that in our house we live in our house, right? But not only we live in our house, different uninvited insects, animal also come to our house and live with us. है ना, हम अकेले घर में नहीं रहते हैं, हमारे साथ बहुत सारे एनिमल्स, इंसेक्ट जो है वो हम उसको इनवाइट नहीं करते तो भी वो हमारे घर में रह जाते हैं, है ना। ओके, तो दिस इज द पोएम ऑफ द पेज नंबर 29, होम स्वीट होम। हमारा घर बहुत अच्छा घर है। यू ऑलवेज टेल मी मदर द हाउस बिलोंग टू ओनली अस। मम्मी आप हर बार बोलते हो कि जो ये जो घर है वो हमारा है, बट हाउ डू आई बिलीव दैट मदर? पर मैं ऐसा नहीं मानता हूँ, मैं कैसे मान लूँ? व्हेन आई नो इट बिलोंग टू मैनी मोर। मैं ऐसा देखा है कि हमारे घर में बहुत सारे दूसरे भी लोग रहते हैं, बहुत सारी ऐसे चीज है, इंसेक्ट है, वो हमारे साथ रहते हैं। देखो ये सोच रहा है लड़का, राइट? लुक मदर हाउ दिस माइस। देखो मम्मी कैसे है माइस, चूहे, राइट? ऑल प्लेइंग कैच कैच टुगेदर, एक दूसरे के साथ पकड़ा पकड़ी खेल रहे हैं, है ना। एंड लुक हाउ दिस मॉस्किटो फ्लाई, और देखो मॉस्किटो कैसे उड़ रहे हैं। एनी हाउ पीसफुली लाइज द हैप्पी स्पाइडर, एंड देखो कॉर्नर में स्पाइडर ने वेब बनाया है, एंड स्पाइडर ऑल्सो लिव। सो हाउ मेनी animals and insect live? It is the mouse, then the mosquito and spider also live in our house with us. Okay, now and look mother and the lazy lizard, and the lazy lizard also in our house. How slow it crawl and to fro, slowly it crawl on the wall, right? And look at so many black ant, and the black ant also live in our house, and they are marching in a row, and all the, you see children, when the ant go and move in our house, it is marching one by one in a row. आपने देखा होगा वो लाइन में ही जाती है ना। ओके, नाउ एंड लुक आउटसाइड इन द courtyard in our compound loop, the birds are all picking about, and the birds are picking their food in our courtyard in the compound also, just like when my sister and I, and जैसे मैं एंड मेरी सिस्टर जो एक दूसरे के साथ झगड़ा करते हैं, समटाइम्स फाइट, क्वारल एंड साउट, हम झगड़ा करते हैं, फाइट करते हैं, क्वारल करते हैं, आवाज करते हैं, राइट? वैसे ही जो बर्ड्स है वो एक दूसरे की चोंच के साथ पिकिंग करके झगड़ा करते करते हमको दिखाई देते हैं। ओके, दैट इज व्हाई आई से डियर मदर डोंट थिंक दिस हाउस इज ओनली अवर्स। So mother, you don't say कि we are only live in our house. So many insect and animals also live with us. It's dear to us, and all the live here. All are the living here and have been living for many years. और बहुत सालों तक हमारे साथ रहते हैं। Okay? Now here, do you know? Rat has poor eyesight but has excellent sense of the smell, touch and taste. You know children, rat has the very poor eyesight, मतलब rat को अच्छे से दिखाई नहीं देता, but the sense of the smell is very good for the rat, है ना। उसकी जो sense है, smell है, वो बहुत ही अच्छी होती है। Okay students, have you understand? Okay, now shall we go to underline the correct word? We have to do the underline below the correct word. I think you understand all the lesson. Okay, now Chotu has come to Ahmedabad, Delhi for the first time. First time Chotu कहाँ आया था? Ahmedabad or Delhi? It is in the Ahmedabad. Okay, so we have to do the underline below the Ahmedabad. On Christmas Eid festival, will your friends Abdul decorate his house? Abdul name is of the Mohammedan, right? Muslim. So what the festivals we celebrate? It is celebrate Eid. Okay, so we have to underline below the Eid, and Christian is the festival of the Christian. Christmas is the festival of the Christian people. Okay, students. Third number, a snack pigeon lives in our house. Then snack cannot live in our house. Here is the pigeon. Here both the option is given, so we have to underline below the pigeon. If another option is given like the cockroach, lizard, so you have to underline below the cockroach या तो lizard. Okay. Now 4 number, an ant snake walk in the straight line. Who's walk in the straight line? I said in our house the ant marching in the row, right? So we have to do below the ant. Ant is walk on the straight line. 5 number, birds cannot eat the food with can eat the food with picking, graying method. Which method the bird eat the food? It is the picking method. That means the what? उसको जो दाने चुगते हैं है ना धीरे धीरे वन बाय वन, इट इज द पिक, सिलेक्ट एंड देन आफ्टर इट. ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड द पिकिंग. 6 number, the lamp are lighted around the house during the Diwali or Janmashtami. In which festival we light the lamp? It is the Diwali, right? So children, here we do the underline below the Diwali. Okay, now we see the workbook part, page number 34. Now choose the correct word. To which city has Chotu come for the first time? In the Ahmedabad city, Chotu came for the first time. Okay, so we will write the Ahmedabad. What did Chotu used to live in? Chotu used to live a large cement pipe. Large cement pipe. Okay, which of the following things is not used for the cleaning purpose? घर में सफाई के काम क्या चीज नहीं आती है? It is the X, right? X घर में सफाई के काम पे आती नहीं है. Okay, what is the X? You know children, right? Okay, what is the use to decorate the house during the Diwali? दिवाली के टाइम पे घर को हम सजाने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? रंगोली and paper lantern. Okay, paper lantern. Now what is the meaning of the lantern, students? This means the lamp type one we hanging on the outside the house, right? Okay, now on which festival will your friend Abdul decorate his house? In the Ramzan Eid. Abdul is a Muslim person, Muslim boy, so he celebrates the Ramzan Eid. Okay, which of the following animal live in our house uninvited? Uninvited ऐसा कौन सा जो एनिमल है वो हमारे घर में आता है? It is the cockroach, है ना? हम उसको बुलाते हैं कॉकरोच को, ये हमारे घर में आओ नहीं. We all are afraid and scared about the cockroach, but uninvited it came into our house. Which of the following animals walk in a straight line? In straight line, which animal live in our house is the ants. Okay. Now, what is the method of eating of the birds known as? Birds known as which method the bird eats the food? It is the picking. In earlier I discussed what is the picking. One by one selected the seeds. Okay. Whose eyes are weak but sense of the smell is very strong? It is the rats, right? Rats has the very powerful sense of the smell. Okay, students. Now look at fill in the blanks. Okay, first number. Chotu invites his friend name. What is the name of the Chotu's friend? It is the Manu. And Chotu invited to share his house, right? Okay. Now second number, the animals that crawl along the wall of our house and ceiling about is known as the which animal crawling on the wall? It is the lizard. So we have to write here lizard. Okay. Third number, the house is decorated with a blanks during the Christmas. During the Christmas, the house is decorated with the series. Or you can write lamp also, both are the right. Okay. Fourth number, blanks are lighted around the house during the Diwali. दिवाली के टाइम हम क्या जलाते हैं? इट इज द लैम्प और यू कैन राइट द दिया ऑल्सो. ओके. Now 5 number, hanging made from blank leaves are put on the entrance of the house on auspicious occasion. In auspicious means the important occasion, which leaves we use to decorate our house. It is the obviously Ashoka tree, right? So we have to write here Ashoka leaves we use to decorate our house to make the festoon. Okay. 6 number. The blanks task is done regularly for keeping the house clean. Every day, which task we have to do? Every day we have to brooming our house to clean the house. Okay. So, what is the meaning of the brooming? Children, you know what is the meaning of the brooming? Brooming means the झाड़ू निकालना, है ना? झाड़ू करते हो ना घर में? Okay. Now 7 number. When blanks are scattered in the yard of the house, birds come to peek at it. Where the birds come to pick the come to the courtyard, where we spread, it is the seeds we have to spread. Okay, students. Now here I hope you have understand all the exercises and the lesson. Okay, if you don't understand, then again and again you see the video. Okay, bye.